Why do we need to teach spelling? Well, if we don't teach spelling, who is, right? You may find that most of your students have no issue whatsoever with spelling. And if so, happy days, brilliant. But you may have a few students that really struggle with spelling. And it's our job to help them. If we're not going to be the people to help them with their spelling, who is, right? So yeah, it is our job. We need to teach spelling because if students keep struggling with spelling, it's going to have a knock-on effect on their English language learning experience as a whole. We find that students who've got difficulties with spelling often find it harder to develop their writing skills and often resort to a more limited range of lexis. Most importantly, poor spellers often lack confidence, and that's got a knock-on effect on their ability to really improve and develop their potential as English language learners. So bottom line is, why do we need to teach spelling? It's our job. If our students struggle with it, it's our job to help them with it. And as we'll see, there are loads of different things we can do to help our students improve their spelling, thankfully. To help our students improve their spelling, the first rule, I think, is this one. Don't panic, right? You may be thinking, I have to help students with their spelling, but I'm not the most confident speller myself, right? First thing is, don't panic. There are loads of different things that we can do to help our students improve their spelling. We can use a range of strategies ranging from visual strategies, using colors to highlight the hard spots in words. We can use auditory strategies, spelling aloud. We can use kinesthetic strategies, getting our students to write words up in the air or on their desk. We can use cognitive strategies, using error correction, getting our students to really stop and think why they spelled a word wrong. Also, I think spelling is a great opportunity for us to seek more support and to look at further opportunities for CPD. We'll have a look at different strategies we can use to help our students improve their spelling. And then we'll also have a look at different books and articles that are really, really useful and that will stand you in good stead. So remember, just don't panic.